Okay Tom, quickly with the seat removed, just to walk through your pipes, as they say. Don't forget to put a cable tie round the drain hose so that it can't flip out the back and get caught in the wheel. Straight across the middle, you can see there where it splits around the gear change, and then on the bottom hose, tucked under the side nicely, see the cable tie there just holding it inwards a bit, and up to the cross hose. Other side, under the engine, up this side, filler pot, temperature sensor, and there you see what I was saying about the hose clip having some hose sticking out underneath, but not too much so it's pushed off the spigot. The brig of the hose, important to just tie it out of the way, as you can see there. Put a cable tie round the connection, the cable connection to this starter motor. You can see what happened earlier on when I forgot to do that. The breather pipe touches the exhaust and of course it'll melt. You'll need to mount a catch bottle. I'm not sure what your regs are. I mean, you could literally just run it out off the back bumper. But if you need to have a catch bottle, then you can mount your catch bottle in that area there, or in the corner of the side pod on this outer edge, and fix it, you know, cable ties or whatever to your sidebars. Important that you don't stop the engine breathing, so when the tube goes into the catch bottle, you equally need the catch bottle to still be able to breathe to at least, you know, the same sort of diameter as the breather tube. Nothing will come out of the breather tube unless there's a problem with the engine, so it's only in that instance that you actually need to catch anything. Right, very quickly, I'll just move on to the carburettor, just removing the carburettor. It's pretty straightforward, but just so you see the procedure. Generally speaking, if we're taking it off to change jetting or whatever, then we will leave the air cleaner fixed to the carburettor. So remove the O-rings that hold it down to the saddle. Sorry, hard to do it and keep focused where I'm actually filming. Side cover that covers the throttle cable, little knurled screw. Off it comes, and the cover just pulls off, 2 fingers away. There we go. Throttle cable, I've done it already, but you just slacken off this lock nut. So just do it a bit more, and then this hole adjuster just slides out to the side, moves round to the back, and then try and get my finger around so you can still see it, and then you just pull it out of the slot. So that's that undone. Remove the fuel hose like that, and then that's the screw there that's holding the clip on. There will be some breather pipes as well fitted to this carburettor when it arrives, but you'll see those, that'll be self-explanatory. Right, yeah, just slacken that off, good few turns, and then just get hold of the carburettor and twist it off. There we go, carburettor off. What I might advise you to do is, if you can get some sort of sticky back self-adhesive foam strips, and just put a couple of strips on the saddle there to stop it biting into the filter. If I turn it over, you'll probably see some marks already. Well, not too bad. Yeah, there you can see it's just rubbed a little bit. Nothing much on the other side. Yeah, a little bit of a mark there, you see. So just to save that rubbing through the wire cage on the filter over time. Right, yeah, that's definitely it for this video. Okay.